A bit more. Angela Diffley is with me. So, Angela, how's it all going so far?
Yeah, so he's in court for day 2 today. He's looking pretty angry. Yesterday, he talked about, he said, this is election interference. This is a bid to stop me campaigning and to influence the presidential election campaign. Yesterday, when he was in court, he didn't say a lot. I think he said 3 words, yes, yes, and yes, to questions about whether he understood certain things. When the judge talked about trying to ensure that the trial would be free, he laughed fair. He chuckled, apparently. And most interestingly, the court reporters say that he appeared to fall asleep in the trial. And this, of course, this is Trump, who spent a lot of the time in his last election campaign telling us that sleepy Joe Biden didn't have any energy. So that wouldn't look good. He's pretty lucky that there are no cameras to record this, no cameras allowed in court. And so he will be saying that that is fake news. He has already, it is alleged by the prosecution, violated those gagging orders we talked about yesterday. He's not allowed to talk about the witnesses, key people in the trial, or their families after having tried to discredit them. There are allegations that 3 of his social media posts have already violated that gagging order. And the judge has been asked to fine him £1,000 for each of those violations if they're proved. So we'll hear that next week. The other issue is this jury selection. Over half of them said yesterday they couldn't trust themselves to be impartial, and so they were dismissed. This is being held in Manhattan. Trump tried to get it moved from Manhattan. In Manhattan, only 10%, just under 10% in 2016 voted for Trump, 12% in 2020. Everybody knows him there from his real estate activities. So it's hard to find people in Manhattan who don't have an opinion on Donald Trump. And he maintains it won't be a fair trial. It is, a poll has just come out saying only 2 in 10 Americans think that he will get a fair trial. But the felonies, the alleged felonies, took place in Manhattan. That's where the trial's going to be.
All right, fascinating. Thanks very much. Angela Diffley.